Welcome to our channel. If you recently received your Amazon Prime Rewards Visa card and want to activate it quickly, this step-by-step guide will show you how to get started so you can enjoy all your card benefits immediately. Activating your card is simple and secure, and it only takes a few minutes. Step 1. Locate your card details. Take your new Amazon Prime Rewards Visa card and have it ready. Make sure you also have your personal information handy, including your social security number and date of birth, as you may need them to verify your identity. Step 2. Go to the activation website. Open your browser and navigate to the official card activation page at amazon.com/activatecard, or use the activation link provided in your card package. You can also activate by calling the number on the sticker attached to your new card. Step 3. Enter your card information. On the activation page, input your 16-digit card number, expiration date, and the 3-digit CVV security code found on the back of your card. Double-check that the information is entered correctly to avoid errors. Step 4. Provide personal verification. Enter your full name, address, date of birth, and social security number as requested. This step ensures that the card is being activated by the rightful owner. Step 5. Confirm your account. Review all the information you entered carefully. Once you're sure everything is correct, click on the Activate or Submit button to complete the process. You may see a confirmation message on the screen verifying that your card is now active. Step 6. Sign in to your Amazon account. Linking your card to your Amazon account allows you to earn rewards instantly on eligible purchases. Navigate to the payment settings in your Amazon account and add your new card as a payment method if it isn't already listed. Step 7. Start using your card. Once activated, you can use your Amazon Prime Rewards Visa card for purchases online, in stores, or anywhere Visa is accepted. Enjoy cashback rewards, special financing offers, and Prime benefits. Step 8. Set up account alerts. To manage your spending and stay secure, enable transaction alerts via email or text messages in your Amazon or card issuer account settings. Step 9. Keep your card secure. Never share your card number, CVV, or personal information with anyone, and store your card in a safe place when not in use. Following these steps ensures your Amazon Prime Rewards Visa card is activated safely and ready for use. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.